Hello everybody and welcome to Quick Cook. Tahina or sesame seeds cream. Our today's recipe is easy and simple at the same time. It's made with a basic ingredient found in any kitchen. In general, people buy ready sesame cream, but today our cream is homemade. First of all, we will talk about its benefits. It helps you good concentration, especially for children, as it's easy to digest. Now, we pass to the ingredient. 300 grams of white sesame seeds, half a cup of table oil, but if you have sesame oil, it's much better. Half teaspoon of salt. Let's start the preparation. First, we soak the seeds into water for 5 minutes to remove any impurity or dust. Then, drain your sesame and let it for 7 to 10 minutes. As you can see, all the impurities are removed. Take a pan and use it to roast the sesame until it's dried. Try to stir it. As you can see, we obtained a nice golden color and our seeds are swollen. Here are your golden swollen seeds. After that, put your seeds into a blender and mix them. Then, add half a cup of oil and blend the mixture again. Finally, put half a teaspoon of salt. The result is in front of you. Sesame cream with a good texture. Pour the mixture into a box and put it in the fridge. It will become thicker and heavier. Bon appetit! Hope you liked our today's recipe.